how do you look at something like this, which is promising to offer realistic solutions in realistic time frames to the kind of problems that we have before us?
See, you're absolutely right when you say that also me and my entire family, especially my brother and me, are going through a security threat on the organized crime sector. Organized crime is here to stay. And the earlier we come to terms and live with it, the better for us. While they do create, or try to create, a certain amount of scare or uncertainty in your normal life. But ultimately we are all normal citizens having families.
Yes.
But the deed of the hour is not to get vulnerable.
Right.
Not to get scared, because that's what their intent is.
Right.
And not to buckle up to their pressures. I was a security man standing right there with me.
Okay.
And the Bombay police has been extremely wonderful in stretching their best hand forward. The Commissioner of Police, Rakesh Kumari, has been brilliantly supportive to the fraternity.
Right.
And promised security to every single member of the industry if need be.
Right.
But not to succumb to the pressures of the person who's perpetuating it.
Yes.
Having said that, I feel that fear is a key factor which completely overwhelms every human being, whether he is a celebrity or a common man on the street, a middle class man or any person. He makes him vulnerable, And how do we combat fear?
Right.
Just by giving seminars and talks will not going to help.
Right.
You need to have something much more than that. And I feel that whenever a person at any part of the day or night feels vulnerable,
right,
if he has something to fall upon to make him feel secure. It's like I'm an asthmatic. And I don't know when I'm going to get an asthma attack, but I carry an asthma pump in my pocket.
Right.
That just the presence of that asthma pump in my pocket gives me a lot of psychological security and comfort.
Right.
You don't know when I need it.
Right.
So the fact that it's there in your pocket, the chance of getting an asthma attack minimizes by more than 50%, because there's no fear of getting one.
Right.
So I feel that apparatus like this, the Zycom, which has been created by my dear friend Pramod, is a path-breaking thing. It's something which I felt that, hey, how stupid we are, how could we not think of it?
Yeah, good.
How stupid about that thing. And here comes, this is Christmas time,
right,
and here comes a Santa Claus called Pramod from Zycom.
Oh, wow.
He's Santa Claus to all of us. And honestly, Pramod, you have been a Santa Claus, because the country could have not expected a better gift than this. To every man, every woman, every child, every senior citizen needs an apparatus like Zyman. This is the Superman which has come to our country at a time when each one of us, whatever our age, whatever our social status, makes us feel vulnerable, makes fear overcome us, makes us feel unsure, unsafe, and that's the worst thing that can happen to human beings. To feel unsure in a world where you should be enjoying. Life is meant to be enjoyed, not to feel frightened about. So this gadget, this apparatus, is a path-breaking gadget, and that's what, as you said, marriage, between technology and mankind.
Yes.
There couldn't be a better example than this, and I applaud this endeavor. And may you come out with more innovative things like this, because this is the need of the hour. When I spoke this to my family and close friends, they asked me, where are you going? I said, I'm going to a press conference. They said, what kind of press conference is this? Because my music is going to getting launched of a new movie. I said, no, nothing about my own personal enterprise, but this is something which is a very path-breaking. So what is it? I did short 45 seconds or 1 minute. I just told them what is it all about. And they all said, wow. This was the response I got. And I feel that this is a tsunami which will hit the entire country called Simon. And I felt this is what, when he said 10,000 downloads, I'm surprised. It should be more than 1 million downloads. I think so. By the time people get aware of this, when it comes on the national, thank God the media is here. If the media takes it upon to give it the front page information is the need of the hour. If you communicate to the people that there is an apparatus available to take care of your fears, to take care of your vulnerability, and I feel we have done it.
Fantastic. So I think the next 10,000 downloads are from Vishesh Films. That's confirmed for sure. And all their followers happening.
I can promise you that not only my Twitter, but my brother who's got more than 1 million followers.
Yes, yes.
And also all my actors from the film fraternity, I will tell them personally because I feel it's my moral responsibility and duty to do this.
Thank you so
I
much.
have to, each one of us in this room
Right.
has to feel morally responsible to do our part,
Right.
to spread the news around that here comes Santa to save your life.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's very inspiring, Mukherjee. Alka ji, I'll come next to you.
Well, this was a much needed application
Yes.
because as it is, we have seen that citizen safety has become of prime importance,
Right.
be it in rural areas or urban areas.
Right.
And most of the crimes, or rather the convicts, they get acquitted because of lack of evidence.
Evidence.
Yes.
Right.
And this kind of application where all the recordings are going to be there
Right.
in the control room, I'm sure it would benefit the courts
Gathering
to come.
evidence.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and especially in urban areas where women are out for earning their living without any kind of safety measures. You see, now we have got CCTV. There is another project which will be protecting the entire city, hopefully, in the
Right.
next.
Right.
But even with the CCTV, without the recordings at that spot or at the site,
Right.
it may not be possible
Right.
to convict
The individual.
yeah. And that is why this is a very good application.
Yes.
And it also gives extra information about the ambulance there, police stations there. So coordination will be much easier and prevention will be the main thing. Prevention is always better than cure.
Absolutely.
So I'm sure it's going to be a safe life.
Right.
And we have got Simon to protect us. So that will be a...
Right. So considering that this application is free at the moment, can I expect a circular tomorrow from the Deputy Mayor's office?
Of course.
I can.
At least not as a deputy mayor,
Yes.
but at least as an activist I certainly do that.
Sorry?
As an activist, I will certainly promote.
Sure. So, the Zypom team can collect the circular tomorrow, please note. Yeah? Please note.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, and I hope it really makes a difference. लोग आपको आके बोले कि भाई, अलका जी आपने you have recommended this particular download, and it's made a difference to our lives on a more serious level. Because I think while it is free, while it is still available there, we must take maximum advantage of this. Ashok ji, you have always been at the forefront of so much social activism, and you are very personalized. I know that you are also coming out with a very special song dedicated to prevention of crime against women. You are in the process of shooting that particular song, and that is also primarily focused on prevention of crime against women and how the lady triumphs against all odds, triumphs against the system. So please tell me, what would be your first reactions to something like this, which, as I say, is not just another technology, it offers realistic solutions in realistic time frames.
Frankly speaking, coming to talk about something like this, like normally when damages are done, all you can do is repair the tear, but you will never forget it started from where. And if at all in life, if you really want to make sure that you have a secured future, then you really need to care. And having said this, this particular person, Mr. Rao, who's come up with this fabulous device, which is pretty punctilious by all means, it's made with a lot of heart and soul. This man, Zyman, I don't think so there should be any kind of law for him. Like how Mr. Pandit just said, from those 10 rifles, only 9 were there which were silent and 1 was violent. But then that was of no use. So for this person, I think he should be given the authority to take such kind of drastic stands when it comes to the hour of need. Like that lady wonderful said a very nice thing that person was shot in the testicles. But then why wait? Why wait when you can do it straight? Why wait? So having come up with this kind of device and having come up with this kind of app, I personally feel everybody should stand up for it. Everybody should give a green signal, a go ahead and say, okay, boss, if this is the man and this is what he's supposed to be doing to take care of people for a better future and for better security, then he should be given a free hand to actually do what he's supposed to do. Not wait, because I personally feel it's a real shame, what one goes through and what one has been going through all these years by seeing. Like when I was growing up in my younger days, there was someone who told me there's somebody, aapka maa ko koi chhed raha hai. I should stay in Jew. So I went and I whacked the guy. that guy, there was a big fight, he got 2-3 slaps from me. Someone else came, they caught him, we took him to the nearby police chowki. The police chowki said, hey, apne bhai ko sorry bolo. So this is the kind of system that we are following. Sorry bol ke baat ban jati hai aur then aage nikal jata hai. So this has to be stopped by all means. So for something like this to be stopped, you need to take the right kind of step forward, and you need to have that kind of power that has to be given to you. And this can be given to you only by senior authorities. So I personally feel like, now I'm going to tell my friends will tell 10 other friends, and so on and so forth. Everyone's going to put this word forward. I'm trying to come up with something which I can try to, connect with people through music and dance. And Mr. Shetty is helping me out to crack a nice kind of a video where we are showing the liberation of a woman, how she succumbs to all this nonsense, and how she gets up and takes a stand. Okay, boss, I will fight the world on my own. But to fight the world on your own, you need a lot of strength, you need a lot of courage, and you need a lot of support. And that is what is actually important. So at the moment, all I can say is thank you, Mr. Rao, for giving the people the kind of support that is required. And I'm sure this will be a real success.
Yes. Thank you so much, Ronnie. And
Vivek, one second.